Oh, well, here we are.
In the motorhome.
In the motorhome. What you doing over there?
Well, when I had the bike in the shop, they brought the ladder rack for the bikes into the motorhome.
Oh, and they taped it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's kind of cool. So we obviously have
Lots of work to do.
lots of work to do.
You have a lot of clothes back there.
Lots of work to do in here. Jay has to bring it in to have a water leak looked at in our lovely ice maker. He's going to have to get the seals. He's doing the seals right now outside, and then we will pull the baby in. The husband, never done, right, hon?
Well, sometimes.
You got some scratches down there. The opuses on this side have not been touched, huh?
No. Hey, off to bring the motorhome down to Kenny's Complete RV. Need some work to be done on the motorhome, so got to fix the refrigerator ice maker. So always something with these rigs.
We are Complete RV, and lo and behold, the McGillicuddy man is still pulling in. Wow. Yep, Complete RV. So what's the dealio?
Well, to fix the ice maker that's running a brand new hose from there up into the thing and fixing all that, about 127 bucks.
Oh, cool.
And the leveler chiming warning noise keeps going on and off and on and off, so he's got to check that and troubleshoot it and all that, so we'll see.
Okay, sounds good. I can hear him. Woohoo! 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 Holy moly, is he a big boy, huh? It's always nerve-wracking for me when he pulls up the driveway. Especially when he cuts up there. We have those trees. I always worry about the crunch factor. And then he's got to back up into this little spot. Look at that, almost perfectly lined up. Almost perfectly lined up.
Cool.
Just a little bit back, but this is fine for me. How did she ride?
Beautiful.
Oh, we got to get her registered and head out.
Yeah. So this piece here is what we had to take in because it was leaking. The old piece was shooting water out of here, and so we just put this whole new piece on. All fixed, no leaks.